Good morning, sixth graders. Hope you're doing okay. Happy Monday, and it is the 20th of 2000, so it's for 2020. And I put up our picture of the day today is the Divine Mercy image, because yesterday was the Feast of Divine Mercy. I hope you took advantage of that and experienced all of God's great love for you through His mercy. We have a lot to talk about today, so I'm just going to get right started at it. We're going to look at your assignments. I want to start with social studies because there's a couple things I want to tell you about your test. Your test is going to be given on the bottom of this. It's in a PDF form, so you have two choices on this. You can either print off the test and write your answers on the test itself, or you can just use a piece of paper, look at the test, and write the answers just on a piece of paper. But either way, you need to take the test today, and I'd like to get it before 5 o'clock. That's what I'm hoping for. So your social studies test is today. You can use your notes. Hopefully you have them and you've saved them. So that's how the social studies test is going to be taken. Now, if you have any questions about the social studies test and how to take it or what to do, send me an email. I will be available today looking at my email from 9 o'clock until 5 o'clock. Now, doesn't mean I'm going to be looking at my email every second, but I will be checking my email periodically all day today so that you have access to me, especially if you have any questions about your social studies test. All right, let's look at the rest of this. You have math. I know a lot of you already turned in your extra practice, but if you didn't do that, you should work on that today and finish it up. And then I put together a video for review of the math concepts for integers, and that's going to be available for you. It should be linked onto the email, or it's going to come in a separate email depending upon how quickly I can get it done for you. So that's that. Language arts, there's a number of things. First of all, a lot of you already did this too, which is great, the review lesson. You're going to have a test on Wednesday, but we're not going to do a whole lot other than getting ready for your test from the book, because you have some other things that you need to work on that are language arts related. You have a spelling unit, which isn't due until Friday, but that's 31. We're skipping 30 because it's a review. Just a reminder for that. If you want to do 30, you can, but it's not going to be assigned. You have your reading final project, which I postponed until next Monday, but there was a video that I sent on how to do that. If you have any questions on that, send me an email, but there's a video on the Miss Brown channel about what you're supposed to do for that. Also, writing didn't start today, it started last week, but you were supposed to send me a 5-sentence poem about baseball because you listened to the first poetry video, and that asked you to put together kind of a rough draft, just let's try this out poem on baseball. So I haven't gotten that from anybody. And then next Monday, you're supposed to have 4 different kinds of the pattern poems typed rough drafts to me. So I hope you don't have any questions about that, but if you do, please email me. Again, if you have any questions, please email me. We have, for science this week, we have 2 brain pops is our pattern for right now. One of them is on recycling and the other one is on photosynthesis. If you have a request of a video that you'd like us to do from brain pop, feel free to let me know and I will put it on for next week. We already went over the China test, so hopefully you're all set with that. The last thing here is for religious ed, I want you to write a journal entry. I'm thinking a 6th grade quality paragraph would be sufficient about what the resurrection means for you. I put me because the question is, what does the resurrection mean for me? Not me, Miss Brown, me, Lucas DeJoy, me, Maddie Walters. What does the resurrection mean for you? And I'm talking about Jesus' resurrection, obviously. So, have a great day. If you have any questions on this, please, please, please email me back, and I will do my best to get to you. Have a great day.